I'm Marianne Binetti in my fall garden, and I have got Sedum Autumn Joy in my hand. Now, Sedum Autumn Joy is my favorite perennial because it's easy to grow for lazy gardeners, but it's also great for wildlife and the birds because these autumn seed heads, they start out pink, and as they age, they turn more rusty red color. They have seeds the birds like to enjoy late in the winter. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use these seed heads as bird feeders. So you can see this beautiful urn here, and this is a container garden that has, the red flax cordyline in it. This is a reddish cordyline. It actually overwintered for me last year, but it's kind of a tender perennial plant. And I've also got purple verbena in it. And then these great big leaves of the potato vine. However, the verbena and this sweet potato vine, they're probably going to die in the winter, leaving the cordyline and also these heads of Sedum Autumn Joy. So why am I bringing them to the container garden? Because this container is right outside my library window where I write and work. And I want to be able to enjoy seeing the chickadees and little birds feeding on these seed heads. So what I do, I simply harvest the long stems of the Sedum Autumn Joy, and by just taking your hand and running it right down the stem, you can remove all the leaves at once. Now here's a tip. Do you see how the branch is curving in one direction? Keep that in mind so that I like to shorten the stem so it's very sturdy, so that when you add this to your container garden, you have it curving away from the center of the container. And that gives it a much more natural look, more of a vase-like container, so that you can be able to see not only the birds feasting on it, but it gives a really cool look, finished look to your container that normally would be glowing ugly as winter appears. So there I go, I push that down there right deep. And now I like the color of the Sedum Autumn Joy. Remember, the color is going to keep changing as the season goes on. And I also have to confess something else I put in here, and that is this. These are also stems of cut flower. These are stems of my PG hydrangea, my hydrangea paniculata. You can kind of see right in back of me there. And it turns they come out cream, they turn kind of this rusty red color as well. So just for fun, I cut off some of the blooms. And once again, see how it's leaning outwards? I put the bloom in so that the bend is away from the center of the container, and then you get more of this real natural look to your container garden. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.